Qualcomm, MTK, Hisilicon, iPhone, CPU Universal Tin Planting Table. Qualcomm models are supported as follows. Hisilicon models are supported as follows. MTK models are supported as follows. iPhone models are supported as follows. Magnetic sliding clamping. Put in the chip, automatic clamping, flexible, hole full. Put in the tin planting net. Strong magnetic absorption, not easy to walk. Scrape on tin paste. Melt tin paste with air gun. Take down the tin planting. Net after 20 seconds of cooling. Plus welding oil. Ray blowing of tin dots. Just let the tin beads fall into place. Tin implantation completed.